is your advice, Sheikh, for parents who stop their children from trying to make something halal and get married at a young age? What I'm saying is young age, I'm assuming is not 12-year-old, but we get the high schoolers that are now in mixed schools that are interested in one another and they want to make it halal and they approach their parents with a request.
First of all, let's look at the options on the table. Option one, number one, get them married. Option number two, don't get them married. Option number one, getting them married, is not rocket science. I'm feeding the punk. I'm clothing the punk. He lives under my roof. He uses my car. He uses my gas. So what's the difference if I add another mouse that would eat with us? If they say Bismillah, that will be barakah. And there's no problem in that. What's the problem? If I can save my son from fitna, from doing haram, from fornicating, and then it's easy. You don't have to wait for the prom. You can do that before. So what is it? Everyone around him is pushing him. Are you still a virgin? Nah. Everything around him is tempting him. And you know that you want to save him from hellfire. So what's the problem? Providing he checks the boxes, that he's sensible, he's rational, he is worthy of taking the responsibility, not someone who's impulsive. I marry him today, he divorces tomorrow. No. This doesn't work like this. You have to prove that you're a real man worthy of getting married. So this is option one. Option two, if he doesn't get married, what will happen? You as a father bear the responsibility, but he as an individual Muslim adult also bears the responsibility. If he does haram, he'll be thrown into hell. It's not a big problem. But if he's unable to get married, he has to fast. He has to do what the Prophet told him, lower his gaze and try to abide by the Sharia to the best of his ability. So my point is, I know people who are 16 and 17 who are married, and they are happily married. They're real men. I know girls who marry at the age of 15 and 16, and they're very sensible, good housewives, good, reasonable mothers to their children. That's a win-win. But you have to get out of your comfort zone. And inshallah, things would be better.